Today, October 25, Microsoft rallied after earnings as we predicted, and our trade strategy is now over 100% profitable. This was the trade we discussed yesterday right before earnings. And you can see that currently the profit is about $85 per trade here. Okay, so this profit loss diagram takes into account the cost of our $73 already. And so when you figure out the percentage profit, you just have to simply divide it by the profit divided by the initial cost times 100. And you can see here that we are currently at 116% profit. It was actually a lot higher earlier this morning when we started taking profits, because we were able to reach our peak point at 345. This is our max profit point here, where we targeted this peak here, as you can see. And Microsoft was at 345 this morning right here. You can see this is 345. This is the price per share this morning. And so if you're interested in learning how we do this, make sure to watch our video just yesterday before earnings. This is the video. You can find this on our channel, or you can search this title here, right? Less than 24 hours ago. Okay. Again, this is our trade here. You can see here they expire in just 2 days. We started taking some profits already. We're going to leave some of our contracts on just to see if we can get our max profit, because as you know, this trade can reach a higher profit potential because this is known as a butterfly trade over here, where theta will help increase profits even more if we hold on to this trade until expiration. So that's what we're going to do with some of our contracts. Not all of them, because it is risky to hold on to these types of trades. And if you've been following this channel, you know that the way we trade is always finding the best risk to reward ratio for our trading strategies. And so if you are interested in our trading strategies or the stock picks that we trade, make sure to join our membership by clicking the join button on our channel homepage, where we analyze the data that is valued over millions and millions of dollars of those wealthy traders. And we do what we did for this earnings trade as well, where we are able to predict stock price movements. This earnings trade is a sample of what we can do, even though earnings trades are a lot more risky than what we typically do. The majority of our trades are not earnings trades, and that's where we put a lot of our capital, is non-earnings trades. So that's how we beat the market, because those are a lot higher probability trades, our member trades that we share for members only. So watch this video yesterday right before earnings. We'll put a link at the end of this video over here, and you can learn and understand how we use the data and analyze and predict stock price movements. And as usual, please smash that like button, comment below if you were also on this profitable earnings trade.